So hello, welcome to a new video, and let's do another live analysis with the trend rider indicator. After so many of you are excited to use it, I thought it's time to make another video. So let's start here with four very interesting scenarios. US dollar Canadian, the 4-hour time frame. We are still in an overall bullish cycle. After our double bottom here, the price started to make a lower low here, and then now it seems like we are trying to still move upwards. You can see the first bullish signal was given here on the close of this candle when we broke out here out of the pattern. So very good confluence. You can see the breakout color is green all the way. The momentum trend rider, momentum finder, picked up green here once again. It has turned, or the price has turned around here a little bit, but you can see that the momentum finder is still green. The background, or is back to green, I should say. The background is green as well. So it always gave you the confidence to stay in the trade. And that is really where the price or where the trend rider comes in. It provides confidence by showing you, okay, what is the underlying momentum? And this is what the trend rider does very, very well. It shows you, are you still in an overall bullish phase, or should you get out and wait for a new trend? You can see that here. The trend rider gave you a good confidence here during all the way until the market bottomed out and moved higher. So as I said in the previous video, it's not about catching the absolute top or the absolute bottom. That's not what trading is about. You can see the trend rider turned red here, and then it gave the exit signal here when the market entered into the white space. So you can see we're not going for the absolute top, we're not going for the absolute bottom, but we take what is, again, relatively safe in between. And if you are in the US dollar CAD, you can use it again to stay in the trade. It gives you confidence, and that is very, very good, because most people, or many people, lack confidence in their trading or in their trades. Another good example, the trade of the week, or well, from last week, US dollar Swiss franc. You can see after we broke here above the previous high, you can see that the trend rider, the momentum finder, turned green on the breakout, and then you can see the background color never changed, the momentum finder never changed. And many people messaged me, is the US dollar Swissy franc ready to sell off? And the momentum finder clearly showed you, if you are not short, or if you are not long, there's no reason why you should start thinking about a potential short. It's green, so it means don't enter a short position. You are you're way too early, and don't fight an existing trend. That is really where the second benefit of the trend rider comes in. It not only gives you confidence to stay in trades, but it also helps you with your trade entries. And many traders have problems getting into trades prematurely, and the trend rider really helps with that. So really wait until you get opposition candles or opposition momentum signals. But in this case, we are still green, so don't try to pick a top. It's not worth it. It's not going to work. The Aussie Swiss franc, also Aussie Swissy, is a very interesting one. It seems like we have a little bit of a double top here. Let's look left. We have some. Let's zoom out a bit. Yeah, we are at an important area, it seems like. So there seems to be a little bit of supply and demand. It has been a previous strong support area, so that is quite interesting. But again, if you are short, you are too early. This is not a market to be short yet. Yes, we had a little bit of a red background color, but the momentum finder never turned red. So again, as long as you don't get the confirming signal with the trend finder and the momentum finder, this is not a short market. I suspect if, and that's only if, it's not when, if the market breaks below this area, then there's a very good chance that the momentum finder will turn red again. But until then, this is not a bearish market. And again, it helps you stay away from the trades where you know you should not be in. You maybe feel, or you think you feel, that the market is ready to sell off, but that's not the case. Wait for the clear signal and don't do anything in the meantime. That's what the trend rider is designed for. Same Canadian Swissy franc does feel a little bit weaker than the US dollar Swissy franc. You can see we are trading, here is a little bit of a support. Here's the previous high. So we are trading a little bit between the high and the low. The background color changed to white. We do have some green area here, but the momentum finder shows, okay, this is a neutral market right now. So don't be in a trade. Wait for the next signal, which will either be bullish or bearish, obviously. So a breakout trade will probably here happen when the market breaks up above the previous high. Then there's a good chance that the momentum finder will be green as well. If we break to the downside, then wait for the red bar to confirm, and that's how you catch the good trends. You can see that here. Waiting for the good trends will pay off here. Here was a little bit of a consolidation. We broke out, and you have a very, very long period where the momentum finder helped you to stay in the trade. Same to the upside. It's not really not worth fighting for those little breadcrumbs here at the top, at the bottom. Wait for the good markets, wait for the good signals, the good trends, and then the good trades may come. So that's how you use the trend finder or the trend rider in the current market situation.